This is Novo 10 Shop channel. Please help us reach 10,000 subscribers. Please make sure that you subscribe and help us to reach 10,000 subscribers. Thank you. Right, this is Novo 10 Shop channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns for Kaizer Chiefs. Neil, my brother, how's it?
I'm good, thank you, my brother. How are you?
I'm good, thanks, man. What's your name and where do you come from?
My name is Katlego Musiele. I'm from Soweto TV. Obviously, I'm a news reader there, sports news reader. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Your thought about the game tonight?
Well, it was a beautiful game. We played very well. I wouldn't say we played very well. The game was very good. I don't want to be in other decisions of the game. But I've seen a team, the Sundowns one, that has an experience. I've seen 5 players who are playing for Bafana. Well-experienced players. All other Chiefs, they are still young. Coach Nabi as well. He's trying by all means to make sure that he understands the players. And Sundowns is, experience that is there. Players who have been playing for 3 seasons, past seasons, as well as the coach. He's been an assistant coach for almost 5 years. So it was a lack of experience. And they deserve to score goals because they did exactly how they've been looking at how Chiefs plays right now. But it was a beautiful game for them.
Beautiful. I can see you're wearing a Bafana jersey, and then we've seen players that were in the news that Coach Mangoba is not giving a chance. Players like Mukwena and also Mudau. What can you tell us about their play tonight?
I was so happy to see even Mbala coming back to the game. I was so happy to see each and every player who were there. That we used to play when Coach Rulani was there.
Exactly.
How they played, they deserve to win with such a margin of goals, 4 goals. These are the players who understand themselves very well. These are the players who knows how to win the game. This is a cup game, but how they play though, they really showed. But Kaizer Chiefs though, they're playing with the young players who were just introduced into this new season. They also have a new coach. Let's give them the chance to build whatever they are saying they are building each and every season. But then, even the Sundowns, they just continue to do what they were doing. Even though Rulani Mukwena is not there, Coach Rulani Mukwena is not there, but Mangoba understanding the style of football that he wanted to change at the beginning of the season. They proved that. So as a Chiefs, they must just let the coach to come up with ideas of how to bring other players who are coming. We came here to support the game, but how Sundowns played, it was a continuous of what they've been building, and they built that. Now they are reaping what they sow.
Exactly, they were cooking. Now they are cooking. So tell me, what can you say about the standard of the refereeing in South Africa?
The Kaizer Chiefs fans, they try to be angry at the referee, but today he was so spot on. He was so fair to the game. He was so fair to the game, and he was all by most to make sure. Even the officials who came in here, they came here knowing exactly that we understand what happened in the game league. But now into this cup game, they did the research. But he was spot on. He wasn't even disturbed about it because he knew exactly what he was coming here to do.
Exactly. Thank you so much, my brother.